Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place. Welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate the 18 hand grips or grip associated with the Armanen runes. While many practitioners are familiar with rune postures that involves the whole body, the hand grips offer a more subtle and accessible way of working with rune energies. They can be practiced while sitting, standing, meditating, or part of a larger ritual practice. Each hand grip forms a symbolic pattern that serves as a reminder of the qualities and principles embodied by a particular rune. Through regular practice, these gestures can help focus attention, strengthen your intention, and deepen one's connection with the rune tradition itself. To make the movements easy to follow, you will see each hand grip from two perspectives simultaneously. A third-person view showing the external form as viewed by somebody else looking at the practitioner, and the first-person view showing exactly what a practitioner sees while performing the grip. Take your time. There is no rush. Allow each gesture to become familiar through observation and practice. Let us begin.
Wow.
Wow. Read. Note. Ease. Zeek. Tier.
Bar.
Love. Man. Gibor. You have now seen all 18 Armanen rune hand grips. Like all rune practices, mastery comes through repetition, personal experience, rather than intellectual understanding alone. A hand grip may appear simple, yet over time it can become a powerful vocal point for meditation, contemplation, and self-development. You do not need to practice all 18 at once. Begin with a single rune that speaks to your current circumstances and work with it consistently for a period of time. Observe the thoughts, insights, and the changes it inspires within you. The hand grips can be used on their own or combined with rune chanting, visualization, meditation, breathing exercises, rune postures, and ritual work. Most importantly, remember that the runes are not merely symbols to be studied. They are principles to be lived, experienced, and embodied. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Armanen rune tradition. Until next time, may the runes guide your journey and illuminate your path. If today's rune conversation gave you insight, practice it, share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.